tooth whitening with AI in just one simple click and with free tools. Well, we are going to clean these teeth and they are going to be well white clean, and then we are going to do this retouching still with AI. Without losing any detail of this person. We are going to use free tools and in simple clicks. Well, we just uploaded a video of how to retouch skin with AI in seconds. If you've not watched it, go and watch it. Well, I got a friend who said, well done, you did, the picture you used does not show any teeth. Well, if you wanted to show that it really works, you would have cleaned the teeth and we see. So well, I've decided to do this tutorial because of that person, and I'm sure it will help you. It's for study purpose. Let's take it how to clean teeth and retouching with AI. Let's dive into our video. One thing, we are doing this thing as beginners. Please follow, don't miss any step because it's going to be very important, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you something you really want and very important. Anyway, let's dive into the video. First of all, you're going to get your picture, the picture you want to do the teeth whitening and the retouching. So we are going to use two tools. We are going to use Google Gemini, we are going to use Gemini, and we're also going to use Chat GPT. Please follow this thing. You may think you're a pro in prompting, but well, you may not be a pro. So what we are going to do, we are going to first open our Gemini. When you open our Gemini, we are going to drag our picture into Gemini. Well, I think you can see we are on free tools. So when you select that, then what you're going to do, you're going to make sure you select Gemini Flash because we are on free tools. Don't select the pro version and don't select the light version. So what we are going to do, we are going to do as beginners. Remember, first understand what you want to edit in your picture. Let's understand. We've said we want to do the tooth whitening and we are going to clean this face without changing anything. Without changing this person's body, anything, texture or anything. So many of you say AI will take your jobs, but I don't know if it will take them or if it will not take them. Let's dive into the video and see what AI can do for us. I'm sure this video is going to be helpful for you than spending time on Photoshop, Illustrator or anything. Okay, let's prompt. Okay, what we are going to first do, we are going to tell Gemini, analyze, it is very important. Analyze the uploaded picture and understand every details in it. Then every detail in it. Then generate a prompt. We are doing this as beginners. A prompt to do the retouching. Is it the spelling? Surely. To do the retouching and the tooth whitening, okay, the tooth whitening, is it, without changing the person face body, if it shows the body details. This person must stay real human. Okay, that is enough for now. Then let's click enter. Let's give it time as it is generating. as it is generating our prompt, please remember to subscribe donxtraboost.com and visit our website. It's www.donxtraboost.com. It has what you need. Anyway, let's continue before we go there. So let's listen to what the AI has generated for us. Let's read. Let me play it properly. Let's play it.
Here is the detailed analysis of the original image and the generated prompt to achieve the requested retouching while preserving the person's identity and realism. Image analysis of A is 67069E8A4AC0D012056551D3C6AAD41 link to .jpg. Subject: a young woman, appearing to be of African descent, with a dark complexion. Expression: a wide, genuine smile with closed eyes and raised cheek muscles, indicating a state of happiness or laughter. Pose: the subject's head is tilted slightly and turned to the side, a three-quarter profile, with her hands brought up to her chest, neck area, showing fingers and fingernails. Details to preserve: key elements of identity and composition.
That's very important. Let's read it. So it has listed the details: a unique bone structure, what you can read through. You can pause and read. Well, so the important thing is the prompt here, but we are going to edit the prompt. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this prompt. Please follow very careful. Don't miss any step. So we are going to copy this prompt. We're going to edit it. You can use any editing. You can use Notepad. Anywhere you can edit. So we are going to edit this prompt. You get? Okay. We have high resolution photo, a review version of a young woman in here. We are going to change from the name of, we put in the uploaded image. In the uploaded picture, we can use picture. Then still you're going to read and read. Let's see where we're going to edit again. Everywhere they listed the image, we are going to use in the uploaded image. So after you're going to come to your ChatGPT, upload the same picture please. The video is not yet done. Upgrade limits. Okay, upload the same image. Please make sure you don't click create an image. Please make sure you don't click this. Then what we are going to do, we are going to copy our edited prompt. Then we paste it here in ChatGPT. Okay, make sure you've edited everywhere that has high resolution, the name of the image. You put the uploaded image. Okay, so then we are going to click generate. Okay, as it is generating, please remember to subscribe and go to donxtraboost.com. Please, we have services you may really want. You can grow your social medias, you can grow art, and we have different services. You can make orders from there. You can get CVs, website, and assisting mobile apps. We can teach you all these things for free, and you will do these things. They will help you out. So guys, let's please follow every. Okay, I think it has finished generating. Let's go check our image. Wow, it is done. Let's download it and compare and see. You see, we haven't done yet. You're going to see what we have to do here. So guys, let me first close. Let's see the before. This is the one we've generated, and this is the one that we've not generated. Let's compare. So this one this side, and let's put this one this side. I think you can see. Let's start with the teeth we talked about. So if you can look close, you see we've whitened the teeth and improved them without even changing. Remember, we don't have to whiten them to lose that natural feel. I think you can see every detail is there, every detail of the teeth, and it's upgraded. Even the lips are glowing. Okay, I think you can see the person. The person has not changed detail per detail. If you look, okay, we are still going. The person has not changed, improved. We've cleaned everything. Well, guys, this is AI for you. You're not going to waste time with Photoshop or anything. You see the hair? I think you can see every detail is there. Guys, AI is not taking your job, but it's simplifying and doing things fast. So if you upgrade your AI, trust me, things are going to be whoa. If you're using the free tools and you're getting this, well, with that, I sign out. Donxtraboost. Please remember to subscribe and visit our website. Nothing has been lost there. We are the best. And if you still want this teeth to whiten like this abnormal whitening, we can still do it with AI. But well, this is the natural feel. I think when you give this person to a client, this picture to a client, they will think you've spent hours editing the picture. Well, you've not. I think you can see even the neck. Well, I sign out. Thank you so much, guys. Please, wait, I forgot. When you finish downloading this image, upload it in any tool you use. It can be any tool, like it can be any tool you use to edit your pictures. You get? When you use any tool you use to edit your pictures, then what? Then you're going to export the image in PNG format, high end or ultra, the best version, but in PNG format. With that, I sign out. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love you so much. If you watched this video to the end, may Jah bless you. Thank you.